Are you having trouble launching once human, stuck on the loading screen or facing unexpected crashes? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 6 quick fixes to get your game up and running. Let's dive in. Fix 1. Sometimes once human needs admin permissions to work properly. Here's how you do it. Open Steam, right-click once human in your library and select Manage. Browse local files. Find the game example like file, right click it and choose run as administrator. If that does not work, go to properties, check run this program as an administrator, apply the settings and restart the game. Fix 2. Outdated graphics drivers can cause launch issues. To update, type device manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand display adapters and find your graphics driver. Right click it and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. If a new update is available, install it and restart your PC. Fix number 3. Too many background apps can slow down your system and cause one human to freeze. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, select High Usage Task and click End Task one by one. Close unnecessary apps running in the background and restart the game. Fix number 4. Third-party overlays like Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA overlays can sometimes interfere with the game. To disable them, in Steam, go to Settings, In-Game, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. If using Discord, go to User Setting, Game Overlay, and turn it off. Fix number 5. Some users report that Steam input can cause issues with once human. To disable it, open Steam and go to Library. Right-click once human and select Controller. Set Overrider for once human to disable Steam output. Restart the game and check it if works. Fix number 6. If your system is not fully compatible with DirectX 12, the game may crash. To disable it, open once human and go to Settings and Video. Find Enable DX12 and turn it off. Restart the game to apply the changes. And that is it. This fix process should help you to resolve once human launch issues. If the problem persists, reach out to the game support team for the further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. See you in the next one.